Welcome to Best Car Fixes. This is Mohamed Harun Idris. Please subscribe, share, and like. Welcome to Best Car Fixes. This is Mohamed Harun Idris, 2008 M35X Infiniti. By the way, you see this dashboard here is a computerized dashboard or computerized climate control switch panel, including the navigation system, backup, map, cameras, and also the information. Here you have the radio. You can turn it on and off. You see that place here. Let me see if I can get the, yes. So what happens is if I push the brake, for example, and this is a push button switch. You see how it is, small piece. If I push this, if I back it up, you see I'm supposed to get some line here, some light, or I don't know if there is no light. Also, you see the reverse is there, but I don't see anything that coming, any signals that going to the, from the transmission to the backup camera, at least to show that we have a backup camera. I don't see anything there. So let's see if there is any problem. We are going to click on this module here, console 3 plus, and see if there is any code or any problem. Because as soon as you put backup, here is supposed to change from audio to a screen. Let me see the map. You see the map also is there. Say okay. Okay, still also let me go back. You see, nothing changed. Nothing changed. So let's see what's going on. Is there any code preventing it? I'm using console 3 plus. I gotta diagnose the whole system. I'm using these tools here for the diagnosis. You see here, it give me the car year model, Infiniti 2008, confirm, and then it will run the test for all the program. So let's see what happened. Okay, now I'm running the test for all the computers. Wow, there is no fault. First line all green, second line all green. Intelligent key, ABS, PCM transmission, air pressure monitor, ABS, PCM, intelligent key. I don't have no code. I don't see nothing that can say, okay, this is a problem. But I don't see nothing here. Backup camera. Okay, let me go back to if this car have a backup camera or not. You see everything is working, but no back camera. Let me stop the radio sound. Now you see here, if you go here through this is the antenna that coming all the way through here and go here and go back. What is here? I'm not sure what it is, but there is something that is not working here, hopefully. Okay, you took this radio out? I don't see no problem. It doesn't, no any information problem here. Hello? It doesn't give us anything here. My friend, it doesn't give me anything. It doesn't give me anything here. It doesn't give me any code here. Anything here is look good. Anything here it look okay, no problem. No even one check engine light, everything good.
Yeah.
So maybe electrically somebody have to look at the signals on the back of the radio. Anything could be possible, but I don't see anything that to say, oh, this is a problem. We have to go to the wiring diagram and look for the input and output. But I don't see anything that like say, hey, this is the problem here. Okay, so I'm gonna let you go from here. Maybe somebody have to spend some time to check all the fuses, all the wires, all the connections.
We check all the
Okay,
fuses.
maybe maybe
But the wiring is the problem.
yeah, because this one here is still working. I don't want you to touch anything, but as soon as you put reverse, I see the reverse is there and supposed to send signal to the radio to change.
Yeah.
They're supposed to have an input there. It could be there is a problem there. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, share, and like, and give us any idea where we can go, where we can look if you have. We need to hear from you. Thank you.